So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to knock on the front door. Oh, actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a friend to show you. So, one thing I found right now that I can show you is a drone bee.
What's a drone bee?
A drone bee. A drone bee is a male bee, and unlike the worker bees or the queen, which are both female bees, the drone bee does not have a stinger. So I can hold him like this without any worry of being stung. Now this bee has 3 parts of his body. He's got a head, that's easy to know.
Abdomen?
He's got an abdomen at the back, and right in the middle is his thorax, where the wings and legs are. And that's where I'm holding him. I'm holding him on his thorax because it's kind of like the most
Can I please hold him?
strongest part. Yes, you can hold him, but the way you're gonna do it is you're gonna go and you're gonna grab him right on his thorax and hold him like that. So otherwise he'll fly away.
The middle part.
The thorax is the middle part, so otherwise he'll fly away. It's a little hard for somebody to see, but I'll bring things over. Ooh, this is exactly what I want to see. I'm gonna lift this up. This one looks good. Alright, so in here, one thing that's happening right now is that these bees are definitely making honey.
Can I touch it?
In a moment you can. You can actually see that some people touched it last week.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Can I touch
In a
it?
moment you can.
What?
Did you hear my answer? My answer is in a moment you can. So one thing to see about honey that's really cool, and I'm going to show the camera first and I'll show you, is that when it's not quite ready, it stays open, and then when it has just, they have to they take the nectar from the flowers and they put it into the cells here, and then they have to fan it and dry it out. And when the moisture is just right, they put a little covering of wax over. So that's how I know that the honey is finished. And in fact, if I turn this frame around slowly, you'll actually see this side is even less finished than the other side. You can see all the open cells. And now, so I'm going to show you what you're going to get to do. You can see another group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people were here before. And what they did was, with a clean hand, they came and they poked a little hole. I'm going to show you. Poke a little hole right here.
Watch Tim's finger.
And there's the honey comes out. You don't need to poke a big giant hole. We're not scraping and digging. We're not shoveling with our finger. We're just poking.
Like that.
And then licking.